disappointing because I was really looking forward to it.
I completely understand and I still apologize for the mistake. But it's okay if I take this whole break and help the teacher make a press not one for you right away.
Yes, please would be perfect. How long will it take?
This will take less than 5 minutes. Since the noodle cook very fast in the meantime, would you like a free glass of iced tea to help with the spiciness?
That is exactly